Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to stop selection with color in Photoshop. First, go to select elliptical mercury tool from the toolbar. Shift key created a round selection. Go to the layer panel and created a new layer. Then go to the edit menu and choose Stoke. Follow the setting. Here we choose color and we select any color if you want. Follow the setting. Now we see stock selection with color. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.